Dams are obviously built to withstand incredible resistance, but if you don't relieve some of that massive pressure that builds up like this guy is doing, this is exactly what happens. And here's what it looks like when you open a dam gate after years of being closed. Check out these 1 in a million moments when fireworks are struck by lightning. Is that a two-headed anteater? Okay, no, I see it now. How long did it take you to figure out where the real head was? If you want your beer to be opened in a cool way by this waiter, then unfortunately you have to be prepared to sacrifice a little bit of it.